Hi guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel once again. If today is the first time of coming across this channel, you're highly welcome. My name is Faith. All I do here is testing and sharing my honest experience on this my platform. And in today's video, I'm gonna talking about Tango app. As you can see on my screen, Tango app is mainly a chat and a video call app where you can meet new people all over the world. You have been asking me, Faith, can we really earn money using Tango? Let me be honest with you, no hype, okay? All I'm doing here is that I share my honest experience. I have been on this app, okay, and I have people that are doing it. All I'm sharing here is honest, okay? I don't fake anything, I don't hype any app on this channel. Before I proceed, disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose only. I am not on a financial advice and this video is not on a financial advice. You are free to do your own research before downloading any online app. Okay, now I'm going to log in on this app and tell you my honest experience. If you want to know whether you can earn money on this platform, pay attention. All you need to do is for you to log in with your Google account or your Facebook. Okay, so once you log in, first of all, you need to do face verification, because without you doing face verification, you cannot be able to see this option starts. And this option start is where you're going to be meeting people all over the world. Okay, you're going to meet different people, different region worldwide. Now, what are you going to be doing here? Okay, what you're going to be doing here is sometimes you can receive points by chatting with people. Like if your message come up now, if you reply it, you will earn. And you can also answer video call on this app and receive credit, which you can convert into a cash. But there is a question a lot of people keep on asking me, Faith, why is it that if I download this app, I answer call for the first time, I download it, after the first time, the second time if I go there, I don't receive much call like before, like the first day you downloaded it? Yes, I experience this also, and people that is using this app beside me also experience this also. Like if you click on start, you are going to notice that the app will keep on suggest you with different country. Okay, and all these country they are going to be suggesting you, all of them are going to be picking their call, chatting with you. You're going to enjoy it for the first time. You're going to enjoy both text chatting or both video calling with people all over the world. You're going to enjoy for the first time, but on the second day it got limited. It is not actually your fault. Okay, the truth is that on the second day it has a limit of call. You can receive 3 call and you might not receive again. On the third day, if you come back, you might have up to 4 or 5 call that day. It will stop. You will not receive anything. Even if you click on start, you're not going to search like the app is not going to recommend you to anybody. Okay, it is not your network. It is how it is, because even me, I've encountered it, and a lot of people that are doing it, my friends, they also encounter. I'm speaking from the experience. Maybe you log in on the app and you notice that the app is not recommending you to anybody. You have to leave. Later, you can come back and try it again. If you receive 2 call or 3 call and they stop, you have to come back. Don't force it, because if you force it, there is no way. It is not your network. That is the question lot of people keep on asking me, Faith, how much do you know about this app? That is the reason why I'm explaining this step by step. Okay, in this app they actually have party, but there is a way they do their own party. Okay, so which I'm going to be explaining it later here. Okay, and here you can actually invite friends. If you invite your friends, you can earn commission. That is credit, and that credit is actually the money they are going to be converted into. Now, I'm going to be showing you, all you need to do is for you to go to your profile settings and you're going to see video chat price. You're going to set it on. If you keep on answering call or replying messages on this app and you keep on accumulating credit, your level is gonna start increasing. And once your level start increasing, this is where your credit um will start increasing by stating it. As you can see, 16.5, that is level 7. Okay, so this is where you're going to be setting it. As you can see, show location. If you don't want it to show location, but it's okay for it to show location. Another mistake people do is when they're about to withdraw their earning. If you earn something on this app, you have to be very careful. Pay attention on this video. Now, if you're from Africa country, or if you're from Philippines, you're going to notice that Philippines has their own withdrawal method, which is their local bank. And if you come to Africa country and other countries as well, you are going to select order. And once you select order, this is what you're going to be showing there: USDT, Epay, or PayPal. Maybe you want to go with your USDT withdrawal address. Note, they recommend you that you need to use Binance USD to withdraw. Okay, if it does not have Binance, you can actually go ahead and download Binance app. Okay, if you don't know how to create account, I have made a video how to do it. You can go ahead and watch the video carefully and follow the instruction and get your verified Binance account. A lot of people have been having this problem on this app. They recommend Binance account, and you might be seeing someone go and copy Trust Wallet USDT address and put here, and the end of the day you might not get your money. Maybe it got rejected. Okay, make sure you use your Binance USDT wallet address to withdraw on this platform. That is the most thing. Another one is that if you go to this app, you need to read their policy. Very, very important. If you don't read their policy, you might get surprised and get bound without you knowing what you commit. You need to go ahead and read their policy very well. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys